Good day everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So for those that are just coming now, I would like you to actually hit on the subscribe button, hit on the notification bell, and also follow all our social media pages. So today I'm going to be teaching you guys on how to use the title tag. The title tag is actually a very important tag. It actually helps you to rename your website, and when you actually retitle it, this actually gonna change. This actually your title. So now let's move on. So go to the head, the title tag, so title, let's see, we're seeing links, websites, websites. So Control S, then this is our title. So you can see the title has shown. So the title tag actually helps us to change the name of our website. Before it was actually showing this wisdom.html, which if you are actually go to a website and you see that it's not actually going to be that much presentable. So we actually put our own name, or the name of our website, or the name of the website you actually want. So when you see that, it's actually going to show and reflect. Make sure you always save and refresh. Thank you guys. In our next video, keep in touch and make sure you hit the notification bell. Thank you.